Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to new video unboxing the Toyota Land Cruiser V8. The Toyota Land Cruiser V8 Toyota Rando, also sometimes spelled as Land Cruiser, is a series of four-wheel drive vehicles produced by the Japanese automobile manufacturer Toyota. It is Toyota's longest running series of models as of 2019. The sales of the Land Cruiser totaled more than 10 billion units worldwide. This is the model of Toyota Land Cruiser V8 200 LC 200 2012 SUV 1.18 scale die-cast model car unboxing review for replicate and shrink production. Toyota Land Cruiser's SUV. The Toyota Land Cruiser is a go-to traditional off-road vehicle that is known to do the job and do it well. With the Land Rover Defender now out of commission, the Land Cruiser is pretty much, in our opinion, the only rugged-capable workhorse 4x4, being just as well equipped for everyday driving as it is for taking off the beaten track. The Land Cruiser Commercial is powered by a 2.8D 4D turbo diesel with automatic transmission only available in active grade. The 2.8D 4D engine features an electronically controlled common rail type fuel injection system that achieves higher pressure and more advanced injection pressure control. The conqueror of terrains and temperatures, inviting countless stares, a symbol of innovation, quality, and capability. The advanced styling of the new Land Cruiser reflects the very essence of power and elegance. With its rugged sophistication, the new improved exteriors and designed to leave your eyes wide open. More expensive the car, more will be the features in the car. There may be many expensive cars, but Land Cruiser is the one which is most known and available in most of the countries. Like some other famous cars, Land Cruiser is also a famous one from the day it's being released. From the day of its release in 1957, many changes were made to the Land Cruiser. There increased no of features change in design and many other improvements have been done, the moving toward the specification and design of the car. It is a SUV gigantic car having 5 doors and has seating capacity of 8 members. If we see the exterior of the car, front and rear of the car is beautifully made. Width and height of car 1979 mm and 1879 mm with a ground clearance of 226 mm. Equipped with beautiful large headlights and fog lights to give a clear view while traveling at night or the daylight of the car are LED ascent lights on the back of the car. Stop lights are also LED, also have light pipe tail lights with a vortex generator on the roof of this car. There present a power tilt slide moonroof with sunshade and one touch open close jam protection. A large door with body color door handlers adds more beauty to the car. Engine and power. When we talk about the specification of Land Cruiser V8 2017, it has a powerful engine of 5700cc having engine type of 5.7 liter V8 with DOHC 16 valves. When combined with 4 inline cylinders, it produces a peak torque of 543 Nm. 600 rpm and 381 horsepower, which is really awesome and too high. The ignition system of this car is Toyota's own, which is electronic with direct ignition support. Both the fuel type diesel and gasoline. The capacity for fuel is 93 liters, which are according to car requirements. The Toyota Land Cruiser 200 received yet another refresh in 2015 with new exterior and interior design being the obvious change. The SUV looks more robust and modern using new components for the front and rear ends, including lights, bumpers, grills, and hood. The 2016 Toyota Land Cruiser is the first in the model's history equipped with technology designed to help prevent or mitigate collisions and under certain circumstances help protect pedestrians in a collision. The new Toyota Safety Sense P system includes frontal collision avoidance at speeds below 24 meter per hour, including pedestrian protection. Frontal collision mitigation also for speeds below 24 meter per hour, lane departure alert, auto high beams and dynamic radar cruise control. The Land Cruiser comes fully equipped, requiring no options or package to add premium luxury. The very long list of standard amenities includes perforated leather trim, heated and ventilated front seats, and a heated steering wheel with power tilt and telescoping with memory. The list keeps going. Smart key, keyless entry with push button start, anti-theft security system with engine immobilizer, power moonroof, auto dimming rear view and side mirrors. Land Cruiser is one of the best vehicles, but no doubt this is one of the best expensive vehicles because till now this vehicle has reached on 7 crore. On the other hand, few variants have been launched in the model. In-dash entertainment system of Land Cruiser 2018 is a fully unified multimedia system featuring a colored touch screen with sweep and flick capabilities and a cutting-edge audio system fully compatible with smartphones and USB devices. Dual rear seat entertainment with luxury and comfort. You can experience an exclusive level of entertainment. You can your own dedicated rear seats display without any disturbance, watch videos, movies and much more in decisive luxury. Classic Cruise Control offers optimal brake control and throttle, keeping a persistent slow speed to support secure driving on dirt, sand, snow, rock, steep grades, mud, or other accelerator. Control critical road surface. 5 speeds with a fully automatic throttle and brake control let you focus only on steering the vehicle. The turn assist function helps you to effortlessly execute turns that would otherwise require numerous manual steering moves, ensuring steering response with driving at a fixed speed. Hill start assist control makes a smooth hill starts possible by dynamically applying brake pressure to grip the vehicle whenever rollback is identified. Downhill assist control enhance vehicle stability when traveling on steep hills by keeping a slow, continuous speed and avoiding the wheels from sliding. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.